And so had I had a turkey neck, this is what I want you to do while your turkey is cooking. You can be making turkey broth. Don't have to buy anything, because you will have saved all of your onion skins and carrot peels and celery leaves. And if you have guinea pigs, save some anyway. If you don't have guinea pigs but have backyard chickens, well, they don't eat onion skins, so you've got this. And the dogs are barking, so I'm going to let the dogs back in while we talk soup packs. Oh my goodness, guys. Get in here. This is why we teach class starting at 6:30 Central Time, because the dogs eat at 6, and throwing it just kind of throws them off if we start at 6. So this is my soup pack. You can drop the link to the Frugo Eco Farm Fresh Feasting thing that I sent you. This is a 2-gallon bag, and it lives in the bottom of my freezer in the basement. And anytime I'm chopping onions, I save the peels. Anytime I'm peeling carrots, I save the peels, the ends. Anytime I have a little bit of celery left over. And yes, I know that if you wrap up celery in foil and put it in the crisper, it will stay crisp for a long time. It's true, it works. There's another hack. Boom. But you know, if you have floppy celery, if you have the leaves on the inside of the celery, throw them in a bag, keep them in your freezer until you are ready to make some soup stock. And then I take about 2 to 3 cups in here, and I'm going to kind of just rummage around in this bag looking for something good. If you had parsnips would be very good in here. I got the question last week. And by the way, please ask questions. There are no dumb questions. I got the question last week, what about cucumber ends? Could I put cucumber ends in a soup pack? And I thought about it, and I said, well, you know, it's not really something I typically put in soup, a cucumber end, unless I'm doing like a chilled soup in the summertime. That over there. And we'll put you over here. Thank you. So I would not recommend putting a cucumber end in a soup pack, because it's not typically a vegetable that you would put in your soup. Thing is sealed, very good. But carrot, celery, onion, yes. If you don't have any already saved, but you're chopping up your vegetables to make your stuffing or dressing or whatever we call it, or any other recipe that involves carrot, celery, onions, chop a little bit extra, because you can chop those a couple days early too and just store them in a container in your fridge. Chop a little bit extra, toss it in to your bag. To the turkey neck and the pile of vegetables, I'm going to add a bay leaf. And I'm going to, that's not starting. The oven is beeping at me now. We'll hit stop and take you out. All right, so we've got a turkey neck. We've got 2 to 3 cups of onion skins, carrot peels, celery leaves, that kind of thing. Now I'm going to pour in 6 cups of water. And this is a 6-quart Instant Pot. Also a 6-quart Instant Pot. All right. Now, the reason I'm using the soup button is that compared to like the steam, which shoots up the heat, like COVID cases in the United States right now, shoots up the heat super fast, but the soup setting has the heat go up very, very gradually, and that should make for a clearer stock. So I'm going to push the soup button, and I'm setting it for 1 hour. And now that I have shown you how to do this, I'm going to go ahead and walk this pot back over that way so that I have room here to work. Yes, I know you're all ready to work. Stop for a second. We're going to move.